Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. My channel is growing now with your support, and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about an app called CamScanner. It's a PDF scanner app, and it's just OCR, translate and fax document. And what is OCR at first? OCR is optical character recognition, and it is the electronic or mechanical conversion of images of typed, handwritten, or printed text into machine-encoded text, whether from a scanned document, a photo of a document, a scene photo. And as you can just see from here, you can just scan your documents so quickly with the help of this app, and it has 4.8 stars out of 5. And if you are above 4 years old, you can use this app. And the developer is InSig Information Company, and you can see the preview here. As you can see, you can turn your phone into scanner, smart auto crop, and produce same result as a physical scanner would do. Perfect scan quality, precise cropping and auto light adjustments, ID scan template, and keeping the ID's original size. OCR, we mentioned now, recognize and extract words on the image, and word edit option after export. And also Enrich Document, you can add watermark, annotation or comment, and you can scan, fax and print. You can print your files through AirPrint and sync files to cloud on phone, pad and desktop document management. You can enable dark mode, and you can switch between dark and light mode, and you can share documents and support Facebook, WhatsApp and Line. One hit to send the contacts. So you can just see all the features of the app from here. And that's a very good to use. That's a very good app. And it is compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and Android. And there's a free version available, but also there are in-app purchases. So if we need to talk about the pricing, at first we need to talk about the premium features. Like for example, if you are a premium user, you can edit OCR results and notes of the doc reporting as text file, and you can create document collage for multiple pages, and plus 10 GB cloud space, and plus 40 extra collaborators, and you can send document link with password protection and expiration date. Also, you can auto upload documents to Box, Google Drive, Dropbox, Evernote, OneDrive, and etc. And you can batch download PDF files through web application of CS, CamScanner, and you can import PDF to CamScanner for editing. And also you can scan academic questions to make practice tests for study. And also it just provides high standard ID scan and much more. And if we just look at payment models for premium subscription, for a month you need to pay $4.99, and for a year you can pay $49.99. and payment will be charged to iTunes account at confirmation of purchase. Account will be charged for renewal within 24 hours prior to the end of the current subscription period, and subscriptions may be managed by the user, and auto renewal may be turned off by going to the user's account settings after purchase. So just be careful with this payment process. And also, let's just look at it. At first, to download the app, you need to go to the App Store, and then you need to tap open if you downloaded it before. If you didn't download it, just get icon you can just see here, but I'll just tap open, and just like that. In the first part, just look at the bottom of the screen. You can see all the features here. For example, you can add a photo, or you can edit PDF, or you can share your document by sharing link. You can share as long image, and yeah, you have so many options like that. Also, you can send an email, and there are more actions here, and you can just choose it from there. That's really good. And so what are the key features of this app? At first, you can scan documents into clear and sharp image, PDF to email, fax, just print or save to cloud, and the choice for 400 million users all over the world. So many people just use it, prefer this app, CamScanner. And you can use your phone camera to scan receipts, notes, invoices, whiteboard discussions, business cards, certificates, etc. And also, smart cropping and auto enhancing make the text and graphics look clear and sharp. And sign contracts and share to your counterparty. It's widely used among real estate agents and in government form filling. Also, making annotations or adding customized watermark on documents are made available for you. And OCR, optical character recognition feature, extracts text from single page for further editing or sharing. But this feature is, that you can use this feature if you are a premium user. And also, you can easily share documents in PDF with others via social media, email attachment, or sending the documents link. And the other thing is that you can instantly print out documents in CamScanner with nearby printer via AirPrint, and directly fax documents to over 30 countries from the app. And also, you can invite friends or colleagues to view and comment on your scans in a group. And you can set passcode for viewing important documents. Meanwhile, when sending document link, you can set a password to protect it. And also, you can sign up to sync documents on the go. Just sign into any smartphone, tablet, or computer you own, and you can view, edit, and share any document. So I'll just show you how you can use it. I'll just give an example from here. So at first, I'll go back, and from there, this is the part that we can add a photo. So tap this photo icon to add new pages. I'll tap this one, and immediately you can just see this one. I just want to take a picture now, and it just it has a resizing feature, and you can just use the things left or right. You can change it, change the direction, and I'll just tap OK, and just like that. It's really easy. And I'll just tap OK, That's it. That's really easy, right? And the other thing about this app is just, I tried other document scanners too, but CamScanner is currently the best tool for document scanning in the market, and the level of accuracy and effective outcomes make it the essential tool for every user, be it for office, students, or any. And it has many inbuilt tools like image to text, image to Excel, document editing, PDF conversions, PDF password protection, email tool, ID card scanning, QR code scan, automatic resizing of scanned document, and many more. And automatic resizing, one of the best features, wherein it resizes and aligns to the boundary of the scanned document automatically. For additional manual resizing, it provides automatic zoom in to precisely set the scanned document edges, and we just did it, and you saw here as an example. And there are many add-on filters like magic color, grayscale, etc. that gives more depth to the smaller characters in the scanned document. And the accuracy is more than a traditional scanner device. Documents can be protected by setting passwords or adding watermarks, and image resolution can be set from standard to HD, and it contains an inbuilt file manager. Documents can be grouped and converted to PDF or Excel format. But also there are some cons of this app. For example, free version always add CamScanner watermark for any document scanning. To eliminate this, you need pro version. And image to text feature is not accurate enough, and it needs improvement in this, so they need to improve it, I think. And yeah, but generally, in a nutshell, CamScanner is a pocket-friendly application. It's a go-to tool for every user, and I don't have a scanner at home, so this mobile version is very handy, and I use it mostly for document editing or ID scanning. It is fast, works well on all my devices, and it has a common sync feature which lets you switch devices effectively, and it also allows you to print wirelessly and fax globally, so it has great features as a cam scanner. And yeah, just like that. Did you use CamScanner before, and what are your thoughts on this app? Just let me know in the comments below, and I'm curious about your thoughts. I'm ending the video right now. Thanks for watching. The quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, or leave a comment below. And feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content. And I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.